What's up, good people? Welcome back to another video from Jazminn and Shanice. We're going to try some goodies from Gangster Vegan Cross Street Market in Baltimore, Maryland. We got the ice bowl, savory first, and we're going to get into dessert. We also have a soul for real smoothie, strawberry banana dates, almond milk. Alright, you got some vegan taco meat, avocado, black beans, lettuce, tomatoes, like a pickle. Not trying to get everything. Like a black bean set. Oh, there's rice in here too. I don't know rice. I'm not vegan. Take a second mic before you give your impression. You know how you be. I'm a vegetarian, so sometimes I eat vegan. I like it. I think I like it. I really like it. Denise was like, there's no meat in this. What is this? It's actually a walnut taco meat. So this burrito bowl, we kind of like went in a little bit.
There's definitely a nutty texture to it.
I made it at home. Put it in our spaghetti. I made a lentil and walnut spaghetti one time.
Isn't that vegan?
And you liked it better than the one with Italian sauce?
Wow, I like
It
that.
was really good. The fresh red onion.
It's really good. I would put it.
Are you vegan?
I would say no. I'm really excited about this dessert though. I might be vegan.
Woo.
The jalapeno.
It's so good. I'm trying to chew so I can talk. I think what really brings it together is the seasoned walnut meat, and the nacho cheese is seasoned too.
She's very well.
Very well. So it's really good. Okay, stop. Dessert time, boys. You know I had to mix up my last video. I gotta make sure I'm good. I already gave my niece Asha some, so that's why I just bite out of it. We're gonna try, this is Most Def. Let's try it. Oh, birds. What's that face? It's like a mousse. There's pretzels on the bottom, actually.
I was wondering what the crunch was. For walnuts?
Oh, wait. It might be on that. It tastes so healthy.
Full kind of threw me off a little bit. That was my favorite place.
So now we're gonna try the Uta Boss, and then we're gonna try the apple pie. Uta Boss is the pink, and the apple pie is right. They're attached because we needed it to be.
I think everything in this color is good.
Uta Boss. It's tangy. Tangy. It's like a parfait in my mouth. Well, she really likes it. Going in.
It's really good.
It's a little tarty. I think from the strawberries. Like a mousse again. There's a mousse consistency. Now we're gonna try the Bonita apple bomb. Bonita apple bomb. Bonita apple bomb. Pretzel crust. Apples on top. Wow. what they're whipping up.
They whipping it.
But they whipping it. It's good. That one has been my favorite too. I love apple pie. It's a good mix on this traditional apple pie. Shanice is going in. And lastly, we're gonna try the goji balls. The chocolate one is called Nino Brown. It's chocolate superfood balls. Almond, dates, sunflower seeds, cacao, pink salt, and goji berries. And the goji love has almonds, dates, sunflower seeds, pink salt, and goji berries. Which one you want to try? She's trying to goji love, and I'm trying Nino Brown. Black, black, pretty black. Oh, cheers. I'm smelling it.
Smells like the motherland.
If that's what Maryland smell like, I wouldn't mind it. I feel like I made these before.
Definitely tastes healthy. It's a dish.
It tastes like a protein ball, but like without the protein.
Oh yeah.
It's really good. It's really.
I can definitely try one of those.
I had the chocolate a lot. But maybe I need to try the other one. Not overly sweet. I really enjoy that.
It's the sweets.
Yeah. So for real smoothie. Sorry, you don't have a beverage. I've never had to give her a beverage.
Oops, got me thirsty.
They do have juices on the menu. They have a plethora of bowls, taco salads. We're probably gonna go buy a juice. But that's it, you all. Thanks for watching us try out Gangster Vegan, Black Owned. 10 out of 10. I'll put some other things I probably forgot to mention in my description bar box. The food be so good. It's been hard to describe it, y'all. All I can say is, always say it's sweet and spicy and good. Or not good. But give us some, indicators that you want to hear in our next video. You alright, Aja? Alright, y'all. Thanks for rocking with us. Peace. What was your favorite?
Banana apple bar. Oh yeah.
We had an audience. Bite it. He thinks it's ice cream. Take a bite. Big bite. Big bite. Ew.